So in this video, we're going to talk about autosomal recessive inheritance. So this refers to those situations where you need two recessive alleles for you or for that person to have that trait, to have that phenotype. Last time it's about dominant, where you need only one of the allele. But now if you have two only, then you will have the trait. Kalau hanya ada satu, then you are just a carrier. Two to have the express trait, one you are a carrier. Whoa, what happened? Okay. Oops. Okay, diseases that are inherited in an autosomal recessive pattern, they require both parents of an affected individual carry at least one copy of the disease allele. With autosomal recessive trait, many individuals in a pedigree can be carriers without even knowing about it. Compared to pedigrees of dominant traits, autosomal recessive pedigrees tend to show fewer affected individuals, and they are more likely to skip generation. That's the major feature that distinguishes autosomal recessive from X-linked dominant from autosomal dominant modes of inheritance is that unaffected individuals can have affected offspring. Okay, ini beza autosomal recessive inheritance dengan autosomal dominant inheritance. Okay, unaffected individuals, unaffected nampak normal, unaffected individual can have affected offspring. Parents maybe tak ada, tapi anak maybe ada. So this is different dengan autosomal dominant. Autosomal dominant, parents kena ada, salah seorang parents must be an affected person for the child to be an affected person. So dia tak skip generation, every generation ada. Okay, but untuk autosomal recessive dia boleh skip generation. Yang ni nampak tak ada, yang ni ada, yang ni tak ada, yang ni ada. Ini perbezaan antara autosomal recessive inheritance dengan autosomal dominant inheritance. It can also affect both gender equally. Two affected parents will have affected children 100% of the time. Okay, so kalau dua-dua parents memang affected, then anak dia semua memang akan affected juga. Contoh okay. Diseases that show autosomal recessive would be albinism, Tay-Sachs, which is a genetic disorder, phenylketonuria, this is errors in metabolism. They are inherited as autosomal recessive inheritance. Maksudnya you need all of these diseases or condition, you need to have two alleles, one from mom, one for dad. Okay, and then baru you akan dapat you will be affected by this. Okay, that's all about autosomal recessive examples.